My kettle failed. It started leaking, so I dismantled, and it was through the window that shows you the how much water. And I pulled it apart, and it was all degraded. The plastic had broken down, so you weren't going to be able to put it back together easily. So I grabbed the one out of the caravan, and the thing I noticed is it's not as hot. So
The water's not as hot.
yeah, so the kettle from the caravan, the one I've got now, is boils, but it just seems to just boil and then it switches off. Whereas the other one seemed to boil for a little bit longer, but it was really hot. So I
Yeah,
guess,
because I know
yeah,
my kettle actually, when it comes to the boil, it does. Because I know I was out there one day and I'm thinking, because it was
yeah,
boiling for a while. So, yeah, then it did
yeah,
turn off. Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Mm,
So I'm not as ecstatic with the second kettle. Just
mm.
I want it just that little bit hotter. Yeah.
Kettles ain't kettles.
No.
I, I didn't know that. You could
Well, I
get a
guess,
stovetop one
yeah,
and
I
you could
could.
let it, and then you could let it bubble for as long as you wanted, couldn't you?
Yeah. I'll probably buy another one for this end of the house. So I'll see if I
Yeah.
can get another sunbeam, because the other one was a sunbeam and this one's a Kmart or something or other, Coles
Mm,
thing I've picked up on our travels. So yeah, it's not a well-known brand. So and now
mm,
you can get them, they're real flash. Like you can dial
mm.
up what temperature you want.
Mm. Oh, I didn't know
Yeah.
that. I haven't looked at kettles for many years. I've just got what
No,
I got.
my
Do
friend
you use a kettle
Lisa.
much?
Yeah, just for coffee, I guess.
Hardly even for that. A cup of tea
Yeah.
I've been having lately, but if I'm having coffee, most of the time I'll put the pot on, drip filter.
Okay.
Mm.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah.
I've been having a bit of
Yeah.
vanilla chai tea recently.
Mm.
So I do use the kettle for that. So I've used the kettle more in the last 2 months than I think I've used in the previous 10 years.
Mm. Okay.
It's not
Yeah.
a
I
big
know
kettle.
different people,
Mm.
different things. Like one of the girls has had the house plumbed with something that she dials up the temperature on a tap, on a
Yeah, that's
kitchen
amazing,
tap.
isn't it?
And then there's another thing that you do the same, but it's separate from the tap. It's not plumbed. And then Lisa's got one of these things that just looks like a normal kettle that yeah, you pop on its little heater thing, and but it's got all these dials and temperatures and yeah. So I guess some things are supposed to be a particular temperature, aren't they? If you're doing herbal teas and things. Don't know.
I
I
just
just
boil
want
the
a hotter
kettle.
kettle. And at least we're not, the Americans just do things in the microwave.
Mm,
Yeah, so that, nah.
mm. I know. When like my daughter was over there, living over there, that was one of the things she said. It was just like they didn't have a kettle.
Yeah,
That was
yeah.
really
You
strange.
hear that a lot.
Didn't have a kettle.
So,
So what do I need a kettle for? I just put the mug in the microwave.
mm,
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. So it's just a way of, I don't know, that we learn to do things, isn't it? There's
yeah,
many, what's that old saying? There's many ways to skin a cat.
yes. Mm. I think a lot of them use coffee machines as well, probably.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. My cousin's got one of those U-Butte coffee machines that, you put the milk in and it
all
does
right,
it, spits out a
awesome.
cappuccino or something. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
yeah.
Even grinds
Oh,
the beans. Yeah, so you put the
yep.
beans in so it's really fresh, freshly
Wow.
ground. Yeah,
Mm.
yeah, yeah. She loves
Another
her machine.
machine, another machine for the top of
Yeah,
the counter.